Hi everyone, welcome to the thegracelifediy home decor. Okay, now in today's video we have a special collaboration and it's called Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track. Now the host of this collab is the thegracelifediy home decor, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. We have At Home with Lisa and Deborah Cabaza, Home Living. Now I'm going to be linking the host down below in the description box along with our channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So please make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Fit for Life. Now let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about this collaboration. You can pretty much make anything, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, smoothies, all kinds of stuff, guys. If you create it, you can go ahead and make a video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. The only thing that we ask is that it be healthy. So we don't want to eat junk food. We're trying to eat more, probably more home stuff, or make better choices in our eating. And we're also a support system, and I would love for you guys to join us as we create these videos. Now, if you're interested in co-hosting with us, please send me a message and I'll be more than happy to add you as a co-host. Now, I did forget to mention that it's also low-pack fitness, so it's not anything like going overboard. If you guys already exercise, that would be a great video too. But since we're just starting out, it could be walking or just anything low impact, which could actually, like I have dogs, so I can just be walking a certain distance with them, or maybe low pack with some light weights. I don't know, guys, but it is low pack exercise. So if you're doing that, make sure and videotape it. Now, I also had a question that someone asked me. So there is a couple of us here that are doing low carb eating. It does not have to be low carb. It can be whatever plan your doctor may have you on, or just a plan that you have yourself on. Listen, so long as it's healthy, or even portion control, guys. So long as it's healthy and we're not gaining and we're losing, that's all I ask. So just make a video, guys, and add it to the playlist, because this is really all about having fun as we're trying to lose. Now let's move over to the video. So all I did was plug in this crock pot and I already took care of cleaning the chicken, and we're cutting it into chunks. And this is chicken breast, guys. It's a big package because I'm feeding boys. So I'm cutting that up, and I forgot what else I put in there. I put an onion in there. You can put anything that you want. I do not use potatoes, so in place of the potatoes, I use radishes. But in this particular case, I added spinach. It looked like the pot was full. I didn't need to add anything else. I did use chicken stock, and then I normally season first with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. That's how I usually start everything, and then I let that simmer and cook. Yeah, so we're gonna get this ready here, and I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll come back. Okay, so what I do want to say is that you want to go over to my community tab. There I have listed quite a bit of collaborations that you guys can enjoy. So don't forget to head on over there, guys, because you won't be disappointed. There's something for everybody. Now, I also wanted to remind everybody that we need to use YouTube etiquette. When you are watching a collaboration video, you should always mention the host in the collab. Make sure and place their channel links inside the description box, and make sure and list the playlist there. There's quite a bit of stuff, so I might have a flyer in my community tab of what YouTube etiquette is, and also for watch everybody's video, like and comment, guys, because this helps us to grow. Now I have some radishes on top of the counter, and then I also had a bag of cabbage. And if I would have had enough room and this crock pot was bigger, I would have added it in there. But, it was so full, I didn't want to chance it. And there's only but so much cooking down when it comes to chicken that I didn't wind up using those two items. But the only additional thing other than the salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano was this envelope of sazon. So I added that in there, and every time you add something in your ingredients, make sure and taste it for seasoning. And remember to use the seasonings that you guys like and adjust them accordingly. Okay, now after mixing things around, I was able to fit some cabbage in there, so I went ahead and did that. Okay, so now it's time to let that sit for about 5 to 6 hours. Okay, so now this is done. It's time to serve this up in the bowl. So of course I thought to myself, all right, I need something else. It's missing something else. So I grabbed one of the Nissin's low carb tortillas, and then I decided to air fry it. Wait till you see how this comes out, guys. So delicious. Now, believe me when I tell you this came out absolutely delicious. And of course, a special touch of the tortilla. Oh my goodness. You gotta try this. Okay, so it looks like we're ready to head on over to the review, guys. Okay, so I do want to thank all of the hosts that joined me in this collaboration. And so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next Sunday at 2 p.m. for Fit for Life, Getting Back on Track.